In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Microsoft Outlook data. By the end, you'll have a safe copy of emails, contacts, and calendar items stored in a single .pst file you can keep on an external drive or cloud folder. This file can be imported back into Outlook whenever needed. Start by opening the Outlook desktop application, since the web app doesn't include the necessary tools. Click the File tab in the top left corner, choose Open Export, then select Import Export to open Outlook's wizard. Select Export to a file and click Next. This creates a copy of your data rather than importing. Choose Outlook Data File, .pst, and click Next. The .pst format holds emails, folders, attachments, calendar items, contacts, tasks, and notes. Unlike an .os file, a .pst is ideal for backups. Next, select what to back up. For a full account backup, click the top-level account name and ensure Include Subfolders is checked so nothing is missed. You can also select individual folders if preferred. For multiple accounts, verify the correct one is chosen. Click Next, then browse to choose a secure save location such as an external drive, network folder, or cloud storage. Give the file a clear name with the date. Click Finish. Outlook may offer to set a password, which is optional but adds protection. Store it safely if used. Let the export finish. Duration depends on mailbox size and computer speed. Once complete, your emails, contacts, and calendar are securely backed up and ready for future import. This process ensures you maintain a reliable, portable copy of your Outlook data to safeguard against loss and to facilitate moving information between devices or accounts. With this method, you have full control over your backup, including selecting specific folders or entire mailboxes, and you can organize multiple backups over time for security and convenience.